What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can add a withdrawal wallet to Bullx Neo. Also, if you guys are trading on Bullx Neo and want to save up on some fees, you can use my link from the description below to create a new account, and that way you will get 10% lifetime trading fee discounts. So now let's get started. Now, first off, once you open up your Bullx account, you will be on this default page right here. Now, from this page, all you need to do is go to your wallets section right here, the wallets manager. Now, once you're on your wallets manager, on this tab right here, you will see your withdrawal wallets. Now, as you can see, no withdrawal wallets are actually here. So we would need to first add one. So in order for us to withdraw our funds from Bullx to a wallet, we would need to add a withdrawal wallet. So to add a wallet, you would need to click Add Wallet right here. Now you would need to select between two chains, that being Solana and Tron. I will stick with Solana because I want to connect my Phantom wallet. Now you would need to input the wallet name, so I will just input Phantom1. And of course the wallet address. Now for this you would need to have your wallet extension right here. In this case I have Phantom. So now just open up your wallet and log in into it. Now once you log in into your wallet, you would need to copy your wallet address. So in this case you would need to go to the Receive tab right here and copy your Solana address. Now if this is Tron, you would need to copy your Tron address. But because this is a Solana chain, we would of course need to copy our Solana address. So just go ahead and click copy right here. And now your address is copied and we can close our wallet. Now when we have our address, we will just paste it right here, just like this. Now you have everything that you need and you can click Add Wallet right here. And there we go. Our wallet has been successfully added as a withdrawal wallet to Bullx Neo trading bot. So that's how you can add a withdrawal wallet to Bullx Neo. Again guys, if you want to save up on trading fees on Bullx Neo, you can use my sign up link from the description below, and that way get lifetime 10% trading fee discounts. Thank you for watching.